Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best mini billiard table is probably one of the most entertaining games you can have at home, especially if you're a fan of pool. This compact version brings all the fun of the classic game right to your tabletop, perfect for both kids and adults. Whether you're looking for a fun activity for family game night or a way to practice your skills, this mini table offers a great way to enjoy the game. Number 5. GLD Fat Cat Trueshot 6 Feet Pool Table. Introducing the GLD Fat Cat Trueshot Pool Table. This table is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a game of pool. Your purchase comes with everything you need to start playing. It includes billiard balls, cues, a brush, a triangle, and chalk. The compact design makes it perfect for smaller spaces. You can enjoy the game in places you never thought possible. Made with high-quality materials, it's lightweight and easy to move. It's strong and durable, perfect for any player. This is the perfect size for younger players learning the game. The sleek black cloth complements any room decor. The Fat Cat Trueshot is ready to play right out of the box. Simply unfold the legs, insert the bolts, and it's ready to go. What we like. This table's compact design allows you to enjoy pool in spaces you never thought possible. Its lightweight build makes it easy to move and store. If you are looking for a table that is easy to set up and move around, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The billiard table is a great size for kids and adults. The balls roll well and the felt is nice. It is easy to assemble. Number 4. SereneLife 6 Feet Folding Pool Table. This table features a fully supported slate, ensuring a perfectly flat playing surface. This design prevents dips, allowing for precise shots and a professional billiards experience in your home. Built with a robust steel frame, this pool table offers unmatched stability. Weighing 128 pounds, it provides a solid and secure base. You can feel confident during every game. The table includes robust welded leg supports for exceptional durability. These supports ensure stability, allowing for hours of worry-free gameplay. You can trust in the sturdiness during intense billiard sessions. Play with confidence thanks to the anti-collapse safety lock. This feature keeps the table securely in place, preventing unexpected folding. It ensures a stable gaming experience. The table comes with a complete accessory kit for an immersive billiards experience. It includes billiard balls, cues, a brush, a ball triangle, and chalks. It provides everything needed for a fantastic game. What we like. This table boasts a fully supported slate for a flawless playing surface. Its robust steel frame and welded leg supports ensure unmatched stability. If you value a professional billiards experience with a solid and secure table, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is level, checked it, the felt is smooth, the balls roll well and the bumpers are quality and bounce as one would hope expect. The table itself is extremely sturdy and, along with the frame, looks very aesthetically pleasing. The top is very smooth, the felt has a nice nap, it isn't just a stretched thin piece of polyester as I've seen with other tables. The pocket nets are a soft cotton fabric nylon netting, which is what I saw on a number of other similarly priced tables. Number 3. Best Choice Products 40 Inches Billiard Table. Gather your family and friends for hours of entertainment with this classic arcade game. It offers a dedicated space for friendly competition, perfect for any game room. This table is constructed with durable composite wood and features non-slip strips for stability. It's built with reliable materials that meet US safety standards, ensuring it will last for years. Keep everything organized with built-in clips for cue sticks and a storage bag for all accessories. This design ensures that everything you need is easily accessible and stored neatly. Its compact design with easy-to-remove legs makes it perfect for any room in your home. Assembly is quick and easy, so you can start playing right away. The table comes with 2 cue sticks, chalk, a ball set, a racking triangle, and a felt brush. It has everything you need for a complete game experience. What we like. This table is designed for family fun, providing hours of entertainment for everyone. The durable construction and convenient storage make it a practical choice. If you are looking for a space-saving design with all accessories included, this is an excellent option. What people say. The billiard table is a great size for a smaller space. It is well made and sturdy. The balls roll well and the cues are a good size. Number 2. SereneLife 55 inches portable folding pool table. This portable pool table is perfect for fun anywhere. With its compact size, it fits great inside or outside your home. It's a stylish and sturdy choice for all. The table features a strong and shock-absorbing net. The impact of the billiard balls won't damage the net. It also includes a leg leveling feature and a Trueshot aiming system. Enjoy smooth gameplay with the scratch-resistant surface. This durable surface makes family game nights more fun. The table is made with high-quality materials. Storage is easy with the folding legs. You can save space when you store it. This table is perfect for your game room and can be used for indoor and outdoor games. This table comes with everything you need for a great game. Included are cue sticks, chalk, a billiard brush, a ball triangle, and a set of billiard balls. It ensures a fun-filled gameplay. What we like. This portable table is perfect for both indoor and outdoor games. The low-friction surface ensures smooth gameplay. If you like the idea of a compact, foldable table with all the necessary accessories, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The billiard table is a great size for a small apartment. The pool table is very sturdy and well made. The balls roll smoothly and the pockets are the perfect size. Number 1. Rack Bolton 5.5-foot pool table. Introducing the Rack Bolton 5.5-foot pool table. It provides professional playing experience in a compact size, perfect for your home. This table is designed for smooth gameplay and consistent ball roll. Built with a 1-2 MDF bed, blue velvet felt, and leg levelers, this table ensures excellent stability. It's lightweight yet heavy-duty, offering long-lasting durability for years of enjoyment. This billiards table comes with everything you need. Included are cues, a full set of balls, a triangle rack, chalk, and a brush. You can start playing pool or snooker right away. Measuring 66 inches long, 35 inches wide, and 31 inches high, this miniature pool table fits comfortably in smaller spaces. It's a smart, space-saving alternative to larger tables, ideal for family fun. Featuring a stylish design with blue velvet felt and jet black legs, this table adds a modern touch to any game room. Quick and easy assembly makes it perfect for everyday play and home entertainment. Enjoy peace of mind with the lifetime warranty. It covers defects, wear, or malfunction, ensuring your satisfaction with this pool table. What we like. This table offers a professional-style playing experience in a compact size. The rock-solid stability and complete accessories make it a great choice for any game room. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, traditional table that's perfect for both adults and kids, you should consider this. What people say. The billiard table is a great size for a small apartment. The quality of the table is impressive. It's a fun game for the whole family. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.